Oh, Donna Lewis. Okay, so we're gonna play the I Love You Always. And this song was playing in the car, I want to say like 1990. Gosh, what was it, Deb? 1990? Or no, I met you in 1995 or something like that. No, 1994. Probably like 1996. We were going to my grandma's house, and she was making this. That's Mikey. She was making a pretzel, the pretzel Jello dessert. And when we parked to go to my grandma's house, this song came on, and we were just singing it, and it's been our song since. Super fun.
Such an awesome song.
Mike, you want to sing it? Ah! Alright, we gotta hear the song. Oh, and I'm gonna do this. Let me put these stuffed clams in. You can turn it up just a little bit. Mercedes is getting her nails done. Back on the motorcycle. Oh, yes. I'm so glad you're feeling better. This song is so fun. And we loved my grandma's pretzel dessert. It was so good when she made it that day. You want to dance? Oh, are you getting all sassy and hormonal? You ready to party, Mikey?
Alright, Trace, come taste this. I actually think it's too.
Oh, we were gonna put it here. Oh my gosh, I don't get these. I know. We love garlic, and that is way too.
So